What if the future of farming didn't require soil? What if one drone could do the work of 10 laborers in a day? Today, we'll explore 5 world-class farming technologies that are not just revolutionizing agriculture, but shaping the future of food security. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an investor, or simply curious about innovation, these are the tools that matter, and the ones worth knowing. Number 1, precision agriculture with GPS and IoT. First up, precision agriculture, the foundation of modern smart farming. By using GPS, IoT sensors, and data analytics, farmers can now monitor soil moisture, crop health, and nutrient levels in real time. Here's how it works. Sensors are placed throughout the farm to collect localized data, such as humidity, sunlight, pH, and temperature. This data feeds into AI dashboards that guide irrigation systems, fertilizer distribution, and even harvesting schedules. Let's have a look at the real-world use case. John Deere's latest autonomous tractors are equipped with real-time kinematic GPS, offering centimeter-level accuracy in fieldwork. Farmers using this system report savings of up to 20% in water and fertilizer. So why does agriculture with GPS and IoT matter? It generates less waste, yields higher results, and has a minimal environmental footprint. It's the most scalable and data-driven solution available today. Number 2, vertical farming and controlled environment agriculture. Imagine farming in a skyscraper with no soil and no sunlight. That's vertical farming, powered by controlled environment agriculture. Using LED lighting, hydroponics, and climate control chambers, vertical farms produce crops year-round, independent of weather conditions. Plants grow in stacked trays, and nutrients are delivered via water-based solutions. See the industry example. Aero Farms, based in New Jersey, uses patented aeroponic technology to grow leafy greens in vertical towers. Their system uses 95% less water and achieves 390 times more productivity per square foot than traditional farming. Who can use vertical farming and controlled environment agriculture? The most urban centers, space-limited regions, or countries facing climate change threats use this kind of farming technology. It's perfect for high-value crops like herbs, lettuce, strawberries, and even pharmaceutical plants. Number 3, agricultural drones for mapping, spraying, and surveillance. Next is a tech straight out of sci-fi: agricultural drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are reshaping field management from the skies. What drones can do: aerial mapping of crop health using multispectral cameras, spraying fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, monitoring livestock and field conditions across large terrains. Top product, DJI Agri's T40, is one of the most advanced agricultural drones on the market. It can carry up to 40 kilograms of spray load, map fields in real time, and cover 21 acres per hour. Why it's better than traditional methods: drones reduce labor costs, minimize pesticide use, and offer faster, safer, and smarter crop management. It is ideal for large-scale farms, pest-heavy regions, or disaster-prone zones requiring quick surveillance. Number 4, autonomous robots and AI-driven harvesters. Labor shortage is one of agriculture's biggest threats. Enter autonomous robots and AI harvesters, machines that pick, sort, and manage crops without human hands. The process includes robotic arms with soft grippers for delicate fruits, and computer vision systems to detect ripeness and crop health. Additionally, it requires AI sorting lines that categorize produce by size, color, and defects. In the current case, the Octinian Rubian strawberry picking robot can pick a berry every 5 seconds, and does it gently enough not to bruise the fruit. This kind of farming technology has the following benefits: it gives consistent quality, operates 24/7, reduces human fatigue and errors. These robots are ideal for fruit and vegetable farms, especially where precision and timing are critical. Number 5, blockchain in agriculture supply chains. And finally, something less visible but compelling, blockchain in agriculture. From farm to fork, blockchain creates transparent, traceable, and tamper-proof records of food production. Every stage, from planting to harvesting, packaging, and transport, is logged in an open ledger, ensuring accountability. Why blockchain technology farming matters? Because today, consumers want to know where their food comes from. Additionally, governments want safer supply chains, and farmers want fairer prices and fraud-proof payments. Let's see the technology's real-world impact. IBM's Food Trust Blockchain, used by Walmart, enables shoppers to trace the origin of lettuce in 2.2 seconds, compared to the 7 days it previously took. Blockchain also supports smart contracts, automating payments once deliveries are verified, removing middlemen and delays. These 5 farming technologies aren't just improving agriculture, they're redefining it. White heavy checkmark precision agriculture boosts yield and cuts waste. White heavy checkmark vertical farms bring fresh food to urban tables. White heavy checkmark drones make farms smarter and safer. White heavy checkmark robots handle the harvest with machine precision. White heavy checkmark blockchain builds trust from soil to supermarket. Whether you're a farmer, a tech fan, or just someone who cares about the future of food, these are the innovations shaping tomorrow. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone curious about the future of food. And tell us in the comments, which farming technology do you think has the biggest impact?